everyone, this is again Lizelle, and for today's basic cooking is gagawa tayo ng baked mac and cheese pero much simpler and much affordable way, and I'll show you how I did it in just 4 minutes. Guys, ito po lahat ng mga ingredients na gagamitin natin. And yung exact measurements po nila is ilalagay ko po sa description sa ibaba ng video na to. Okay? And for the first step is magbo-boil lang tayo ng 1 liter of water. And once nag-boil na siya, is ilagay natin yung ating pasta, tapos yung konting olive oil or cooking oil, at saka yung 1 tablespoon of asin, okay, or salt. Normally guys, magti-take ng mga 12 to 15 minutes bago maluto yung ating pasta in a medium fire. Pero, try nyo na din kagatin kung wala na kayong makitang puti sa gitna niya, it means luto na po siya. Okay? Once luto na at nahugasan na natin yung ating pasta, is maglalagay na naman tayo ng olive oil or cooking oil sa isang pan at ilagay natin yung ating ground beef once ready na yung oil. Alright? So, once makita na natin na nag-white brown na yung kulay ng karne, is maglalagay tayo ng konting water para mawala yung lansa ng beef natin. Okay, so, hintay lang natin na mag-dry na siya. At saka maglagay na tayo ng tomato sauce. Bali, gumamit po ako ng mga 1 can of tomato sauce for this. And yep, once nalagay na po siya, maghintay lang tayo na mag-boil. And once ready, is ilagay na natin yung ating mga seasoning. Bali guys, is ilagay na natin yung ating chicken mix broth powder, and then yung ating paminta at saka asin. And yep, any available seasoning na meron kayo sa bahay. Alright? So, kailangan talaga natin siyang tikman guys kasi minsan yung mga magagamit nating tomato sauce is sobrang maasim. Okay? For this recipe guys, is gagamit ako ng bali 450 grams na cheese. Alright? So, 3 klaseng cheese yung ginamit ko dito. Yung Parmesan, Cheddar, at saka Mozzarella cheese. Alright? Pero, kung gusto nyo naman na mas stretchy yung ating baked mac and cheese, so kailangan talaga natin gumamit ng mas maraming mozzarella cheese. Alright? So, tira lang ng konting cheese para sa ating toppings mamaya. Okay? And timplahan lang natin siya. After nag-boil na siya and na-melt na lahat ng cheese, is kailangan lang natin siyang timplahan ulit if nag-iba yung lasa niya. And then ilagay na natin yung ating pasta and ready na tayong gumawa ng ating toppings. For the toppings guys, is mag-melt lang tayo ng butter and then ilagay yung ating 1 pack na thick cream. And then yung ating cheese. Alright? So, hintayin lang natin na mag-melt yung ating cheese at saka timplahan. Okay? Once ready na yung ating toppings, is ilagay na din natin yung ating pasta sa baking pan and also the toppings at the top, and ready na siyang parang i-bake. For baking guys, is isi-set natin yung ating oven ng 175 degrees Celsius. And i-bake muna natin siya ng 30 minutes na may foil and another 15 minutes na wala na yung foil. Alright? And then ready na siya i-serve! Thank you so much for watching! And by the way guys, if you like this recipe, please hit like or leave some comments below kung may mga dish kayo na gusto nyong itry ko. Okay? Thank you so much and I hope you have a good day. Bye!